Fox Carolina Weather. Weather Rate certified most accurate local forecast.
Rain is more broken at this hour, which is good for the morning commute for those who still have to go traveling. But we're still dealing with some heavier rounds of rain in Asheville, down to Hendersonville, even into Buncombe County. A little bit less now activity happening in the upstate, but zooming in places like Franklin and Bryson City that were hit very hard, having a chance to dry out. So hopefully our flood threat remains fairly low across the region for these next few days, just because it's going to be these hit and miss showers continuing to steer into our area for today, tomorrow, even into our Friday. By the weekend, though, improving weather conditions. So here's how everything is going to play out on FUTURECAST. For today, it's going to be these hit and miss showers, areas of drizzle, foggy conditions, a similar setup to yesterday, maybe having a brief isolated thunderstorm roll through for the evening hours. Now, tonight into tomorrow morning's commute, it is going to be messy. Look at all of this rain on this FUTURECAST map. You can see right along the I-85 corridor, 6 a.m. here, heavy rainfall, potentially blinding rains as you do get the morning commute underway tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll get a break in the action with just some leftover lingering showers, and then one more round of it comes for us Friday morning into the early afternoon period, and then we are going to be clearing out with our clouds, and our drier conditions will settle on in for the weekend. But we still have quite a bit of rain to go yet, so FUTURECAST rainfall totals still anywhere from about 2 to 3 inches expected. This is on top of what we already received, and the highest rainfall amounts will line up right along the South Carolina, North Carolina, and Tennessee state line. So expect about 2 to 3 inches there. The rest of us about 2 inches or less. Flash flood watches in place for portions of the mountains, western sections, and for Rabun County, Oconee, and Pickens County. This will expire at 8 a.m. tomorrow. So if you live in a low-lying area, if you know it's prone to flooding, if you are nearby a river, creek, or stream, those could overrise, overflow their banks. So we're going to keep a close eye on that. 75 for the high temperature today in the upstate, and 69. That's going to be it for the mountains. Cooler and below where we should be for this time of year. Your 7-day forecast consisting of very soggy conditions today through the end of the week. By the weekend, just a 20% chance of rain. Temperatures will be much warmer for the early days of next week, holding on to 70s and 80s Monday and Tuesday for the upstate, and lower 70s expected for the mountains.